Alright, assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are fine. Today we are going to look at how you can write down an equation of a line. So this is my question in front of me. Write equation of the line passing through the following pair of points. That means this is a line which passes through C and D. So as they have told, this is a line, so every line follows a general equation that is called y is equal to mx plus c. No matter if you don't know the exact equation of the line, but you could say right from the start that equation of a line is always y is equal to mx plus c. Now to make it more specified, obviously this is the general equation. What do you need to do? You need to do three things. First, find out m. Second, your c, and then plug the value for m and c right into this equation. That would be your specific answer to a specific question. So let's see. First of all, we'll be needing m. What is m? M is your gradient, and the formula for that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Now the gradient is, what are coordinates? The first point gives you x1 y1, this is 1, and the second point gives you x2 y2. So substituting these values into my formula, I get y2, that is this one, minus 1, minus of the formula this one, and minus by 5, and my x2 and x1 is this, minus 1, minus of the formula again, and minus 7. So minus and minus getting pluses, so 5 minus 1 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, sorry, my bad, and 7 minus 1 is 6. Simplifying them, getting the answer 2 over 3. So I have taken out my m, so what I can do, in place of m I could write down the value for it, 2 over 3 x plus c. So half the work is done. Now only c remains. What is c? C is y-intercept. That means the line and the point at which the line crosses the y-axis, that is your y-intercept. Now how can you find out this y-intercept? We know for a fact that this following line passes through point this and passes through point D. So I know that at C point my x and my y are minus 7 and minus 5, and similarly for D part I know my x and my y is minus 1 and minus 1. So what I can do, in place of this y and in place of this x, I could either substitute the value from the C point, or I could do the same from D as well. Both way it works. So next step, my y at C is minus 5, 2 over 3 is my slope, and my x is minus 7. That leaves only unknown behind C. That means we can figure out what is C. So this is minus 14 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 5. Now this is being added here by c, so I'll take it on the opposite side. This would convert, minus 14 over 3 into plus 14 over 3 is equal to c. Now I need to take the LCM of these two. As you guys know, this is a fraction, so 3 and 1 would give me the LCM of 3, so I need to multiply it, giving me the result minus 15 plus 14 over 3. So what does my result come? C comes out to be minus 1 over 3. Now remember, this C, as you guys know, you had to find out the equation, and equation has to be in this form. So we have our m, we have our c, both the things we have done. Now what do we need to do? We just need to substitute the value of m and c back into the equation. So I had my equation is y is equal to mx plus c and we took it out earlier, that is 2 over 3. So in place of m comes 2 over 3, then comes x, then the c, that is minus 1 upon 3. So plus and minus would make this minus 1 over 3. This is our equation, and this is how you guys can write down any equation of any line. Thank you, that's it.